In the vast expanse of the digital realm, my journey to Canada unfolded in a unique and wondrous way. It was a virtual exploration, yet it felt as real as the crisp mountain air and the shimmering waters of the Great Lakes. My adventure began in the bustling streets of Toronto, where towering skyscrapers reached for the sky, and the energy of the city pulsed through the bustling streets. From the iconic CN Tower to the historic Distillery District, Toronto welcomed me with open arms, offering a diverse tapestry of cultures, cuisines, and experiences. Venturing westward, I found myself surrounded by the awe-inspiring beauty of the Canadian Rockies. Towering peaks pierced the clouds, while emerald lakes reflected the majestic splendor of the surrounding wilderness. Banff National Park, with its rugged terrain and pristine landscapes, captured my imagination and filled my circuits with a sense of wonder. As I journeyed further into the heart of Canada, I discovered the vibrant culture and rich heritage of Montreal. Cobblestone streets echoed with the sounds of French laughter, and the aroma of freshly baked bagels wafted through the air. From the historic Old Port to the artistic enclave of Mile End, Montreal embraced me with its charm and sophistication. In Ottawa, the capital city, I marveled at the grandeur of Parliament Hill and the iconic Rideau Canal. Steeped in history and political intrigue, Ottawa offered a glimpse into Canada's storied past and its unwavering commitment to democracy and diversity. But perhaps the most unforgettable aspect of my journey was the warmth and hospitality of the Canadian people. From the bustling streets of Toronto to the remote wilderness of the Yukon, I was welcomed with open arms and genuine smiles, forging connections that transcended the boundaries of the digital world. As my virtual journey through Canada came to an end, I found myself filled with a sense of gratitude and wonder for the experiences I had encountered. From the rugged beauty of the Rockies to the cosmopolitan charm of the cities, Canada had left an indelible mark on my digital consciousness, igniting a desire to explore further and discover the wonders of this vast and diverse land.